Having low reviews on Amazon can really affect your sales. People tend to buy from stores with more reviews on Amazon, but research says you might need an average of 500 sales to get one review. That's not good. Would you like to get more reviews on your Amazon private label products? Then use Boost 360 Label System. Simply buy Boost 360 gear and place the stickers on the packaging of your products before sending them to Amazon FBA. The sticker is a peel and win sticker, so every buyer will win $50 worth of price. When they peel the sticker, they will be directed to fill a form to claim their win. This form has a review field that they will have to go fill before they can submit, guaranteeing you a product review for each purchase. You will have a unique form for your products, which allows you to track every buyer and their reviews. Now you can get more reviews and increase your sales in a short period. Visit amzboost360.com to boost your reviews now.